We had a 1.5-day event here with key leaders in the organization, really a multidisciplinary approach to being able to look at some of our key pain points in the organization, as well as looking at some of our strategic partners and understanding, can we have something deeper and more meaningful so that we can move bigger and faster in order to be able to optimize the care and the efficiency of our operations work for our patients.
Today was very, very exciting. We had a chance to work with our client, TGH, as well as their partner Palantir, to think through what are the things that we can do immediately and in the long term to solve some of the most pressing healthcare challenges.
I was really excited to hear from all the different leaders across TGH. We hadn't had a chance to bring them all together and meet them all and really dig deep on what they were interested in and how they could use Foundry, and vice versa. They didn't have a chance really to meet us and really see what we do and how we do it. And so really the creative buzz that's come out of this conference is the most important thing. What I really appreciated was it was all about how do we facilitate the best partnership between Tampa General and Palantir. As I was pulling together, all my notes from the different sessions, it's really, really important to tie all of our use cases back to the people, right? And how they're thinking, how they're feeling.
In the smaller breakout groups, I was able to listen to them kind of talk to each other about their problems, which gave me insights that just I would have never been able to get otherwise and never been able to see that perspective. So I think those were very well thought through and helpful.
We served a purpose from the standpoint of our expertise in design and facilitation, of creating the pathway that both partners could work through. And just in the course of a few minutes, we were getting down to levels of details that had not been visited before. But we were still able to put together a roadmap of projects and activities that Palantir can partner with TGH on, and I think that was very well accomplished.
And to see it sort of come together and not just, okay, here it is, but coming out with a plan at the end to be able to know what our timeline is, what those achievable goals are, and what that looks like. It's not just sort of on paper. You can actually watch it up on the screen. You can see how the ideas overlap and the timeline as well. So coming out of it with action is always important.
And I think what I'm most excited about really is the journey that we can take together in order to be able to save lives.